I have just arrived at my house and the sheep have escaped. Are you kidding me? Cedar, hello. You're supposed to be a sheepdog. Good girl. Yeah, put them away. Put them away, Cedar. Yeah, perfect. Good job. Wow, this was a lot easier than the last time I tried to herd the lead sheep. There's the turkeys.
Good luck, Andrew.
Well, somebody forgot to lock it. Gosh, this farm is wonderful. Okay, well, we'll just send that through there. Actually, we'll just do this. What a joke. Are you kidding me?
I've been staring at the edge of the water. Did you know this is on the xylophones? Yeah.
Well, here we are at my house. Hi, Jasmine. You're making an appearance in the vlog. What's going on?
Hey, Brendan. Arlo loves me. So Arlo has separation anxiety from Madeline and Ethan, so he can never be without them. And he goes, and he cries and he scratches the door. So this morning, Maddie goes to feed the sheep and she leaves him inside. And she leaves him inside. I wake up, he's cuddling me. And Madeline's not even in the
He
room.
looks so sad. Look at his face.
Oh my god, I peed my pants one time because Kate was dark outside and I had Arlo and I held him and I went like this. In front of the mirror and his whole fat body was like,
He looks like one of those like exercise shakers.
he likes it.
Arlo,
She's just going up
what's
and
she
down.
doing to you? What's she doing? Give him a break.
He wants you to do that to him.
Like that,
Are you gonna try? Phoenix? I can carry him. Phoenix!
Phoenix!
Do you like that? Go, puppies. You're a dog wife. You like it when mommy carries you because it makes you feel like a puppy? I carried him every single day since the day we got him. So that I could be able to carry him when he's full grown. Right, love ears.
So here we go. Got the sticks from the shed. Ready to go for a first skate tonight. Got the bag. The bag is all loaded up, ready to go. But before practice, we are going to go do a farm tour. See the stupid sheep. So first up, we have these cool flowers. That's a pretty flower. So there's the bees. There's the chicken coop tractor thing. There's the other chicken tractor. There's the sheep and the chickens all laying together. That's so cute. Look how happy everybody is. So Carly, what do you think of the farm?
I like the farm.
Yeah, wonderful.
Big fan of the farm. Well, it's biting.
No, they're sheep. Oh, there's a pig. Are the pigs escaped too? Do they just have like abandoned fencing? Like, I don't understand. When I lived at the farm, there used to be fencing here all the time. I guess they've just decided that fencing is no longer needed. There we have a pig, chicken, turkey.
Do you want to try and catch a chicken?
Oh man, I've done my time of catching chicken. You really want me to catch a chicken?
Kinda. You have to like tag one though, and that's the one you're going for.
Can I just get this one?
Yeah.
There. Farm catching with Andrew. Are you happy that I caught a chicken? I think this one's a rooster actually. There. You take to hold him. Can I let him go now?
Bye, friend.
The pig will be hard to catch, but we can try.
Catch them. I just
Oh.
want to touch them.
I don't know about so close.
I
You're,
was pretty close.
you're pretty far away.
I pulled back at the last minute.
Okay, well, we have a new joiner to the farm. He's on a mission. Where's he going? Oh, those guys aren't happy about that. Look, where are they all going? Sheep are going that way. Those guys are going that way. So this is the earth shelter that I built with my father and a few other people. There's the pig. Hello, piggy. Don't hit the electric fence, it hurts. Here's the piggy. Come here, little piggy. This is the earth shelter. So it's pretty neat. It keeps them cool in the summer, warm in the winter. There's another pig. So it's a little farming 101 with Andrew. Usually when you have animals, you have a fence, and the fence is like to contain the animals. Right now, as you see over there in the bushes, some of the animals have escaped. So what this tells me is that the farmers are not doing a very good job at containing the animals. So, see, pigs here, contained. Pig over there, not contained. Are you having fun, Carly?
Yeah. Playing fetch with my pigs.
You're playing fetch with the pigs? They're not dogs.
Kinda.
Anyway, they're really cute. You just hit it in the face.
I thought it was gonna like
No, it's not a dog.
move or something.
No. Look, they're digging. See, they're digging for bugs and roots, all kinds of good stuff in there. What's up, Peggy? These ones don't look like that.
They don't want to play with you either.
Well, yeah, they're pigs. I had one pig that was my best friend, though.
Do you have a name?
Cow.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good buds. He used to roll over for me, and I used to rub his belly.
Okay, kind of like Owen.
Yeah. Anyway, that's our farm tour. There's the bees.
So they still have their stingers.
Do the
Sometimes
bees-
they get them removed.
They die if they get removed. You gonna go in there?
No.
Why not? You hate bees. Bees are awesome. I love bees.
Until they sting you.
Oh, I've been stung so bad so many times.
I've never been stung.
No, you want to?
No.
Okay. Sure,
How
Carly?
do they know to stay here? Is the queen bees here?
Well, that's where their house is. How do you know where you live?
You could get a new house.
Sometimes they get a new house.
Their neighbors are pigs. Why wouldn't they want to move?
Because they're near the birds. And the birds and the bees are good friends.
I heard that story once.
Carly, can you touch the fence for me?
Can you hold my hand if I touch the fence?
Sure. Ready?
Do you know how that works?
You get shocked still, too.
No.
Carly, just
Ah.
you still like the farm?
Yeah, I love the farm.
Time to go to hockey practice. Here we are at the rink, back in Sudbury. First time back on the ice since the broken foot, whatever you want to call it, injury. Should be fun. Let's go. So here we are at the lake house. Today's a fun day. Mike is back home. Got my hockey gear. It smells bad, so I'm keeping it outside. There you go. So we got Owen, Sky, and Mike. Mike has been looking forward to joining the vlog this entire summer. It's only August now, so
This is the first camera time I've gotten. How do I look?
You look great, Mike.
I wasn't prepared. We didn't even do any hair or makeup.
I know.
Shit.
Do you want to take two?
Delete that.
Okay, we'll try that again. Okay, ready? So here we are with Owen, Sky, and Mike. Whoa, Mike! Welcome to the vlog, Mike.
Oh, glad to be here.
So today we have a football game. We're mentally preparing.
Yep. By not doing anything, apparently.
Mike wanted us all to go play golf
And spike ball.
and spike ball, but
Yo, let's go go-karting.
go-karting. Oh my gosh.
I'm not even joking.
You know, I have a big football game today.
Yeah.
Let's just sit here and do nothing.
rest up my shoulders before I play.
I'm resting up my foot.
Yeah. I'm gonna go hang out with other people.
Are you excited, Owen?
No, not particularly.
It's gonna be like 40 degrees almost.
In Toronto looks good.
They were spying on us yesterday.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, they were at the football game at our practice, trying to take notes. Jokes on them though, because we weren't practicing anything important.
Joke's on them, we're just doing special teams, which suck anyways.
Well, here we are, Owen. We're finally dressing for a game.
First game where both the boys are playing.
Let's go. We're here at the field. James Jerome. Let's get it. You excited or what?
Nervous.
You are?
Yeah.
Nice.
Little sports-based anxiety.
You'll be all right. Let's go, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's give her.
You don't want to get Mike beating off on camera.
Dude. Is this for the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I need some quality camera time before I leave, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, my bacon burnt.
Just another day at the office. How was work today, Adam?
Work was good, man.
Nice shirt. You're looking fresh.
Sure,
Adam,
fresh cut.
Your collar's a little sideways, but it's fine.
How's working for your brother?
You know, it's definitely got its downs.
Ouch.
Does it have any ups?
Yeah, I'm learning a lot, you know.
Get to ride share a lot. No real start time any day.
Basically on call, slave labor.
Whenever my boss is mean to me, I just have to call my mom and stop.
Pretty much.
Kayla.
Wait.
Michaela Cam. Okay, wait. Hey guys, I just want to have a little ding, and it's gonna say Michaela Cam right now. Except I'm just like, oh.
I'm so dead.
Do your poetry one.
So country roads, take me home to a place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads.
So is that a haiku?
So here we are with My assistant Carly.
Don't call me that. I go by just my name.
Miss Carly.
Just Carly. How do I turn it around? Nothing? I spin it?
What do you mean? How do you turn it?
I
It's a
don't
camera.
know.
You just turn
Is it not double-sided? Oh, because I can watch from this side.
Oh my god.
But I can see on both sides. Like, I can see myself.
Facing camera, yeah. Oh my god. Anyway, my dad's picking us up. Where do you think he is? I heard it.
He went right there.
Oh, there he is. Hi, Dad.
Should I blow my kiss?
Sure. There we go. Oh my god.
What? Really pump the brakes. Is that the point of that?
There's no brakes.
It was a joke.
I don't know. You're asking how what the front-facing camera
Yeah,
was.
well, I thought it was.
Do you not see a lens on this side? There's
Yeah.
no lens.
No, I was actually more focused on looking at myself.
Wow.
Man, this is like tight, bud. Hey, when I say is it a big dog?
I didn't say it was a big dog. You said is it the big dog? I said no, it's the small one beside it. And this is the small one beside
Here,
it.
Andrew, you can put this on. Okay, and what you got to do is watch the float. Just if you push me, and if you can, push a little bit that way too. Just, okay, go. Good to go?
Yeah.
Am I clear?
Clear.
Hey, Carly.
Okay, hold the plane.
The princess.
Pardon?
The
Did you say the princess?
Yeah. Here. Hold on.
You can get seriously hurt, bud.
That's not
Andrew, be
right.
careful around the plane, please, because if you hit the fabric, you can then break the fabric.
I'm excited to watch you hit your head off the plane. Oh, there's a fish. Or maybe a turtle. Or a beaver. Did you see the fish jump at that one lake? Did
No.
you?
No.
Did you see the beaver over there on this lake?
No. I was co-piloting.
I was like, clearly just looking.
Well, I'm happy for you.
Some modern stuff.
Shut up. Okay, so I'm here with Carly. We just put up 2 signs. We have a waterfront right there, and we have another waterfront right there. Carly was good. She helped me put in the signs, so that's nice. She had an idea to put this sign on these 2 little branches. So for now, it's here.
I did it by myself.
Yeah, by herself. And then, yeah, we'll see if her sign holds up. My sign that I put in is over there. This is
Crooked?
that way.
Over
It's a
there?
little
Very
crooked, but I did have to go through some pretty hefty rock. So it was Rocka versus rock, and I think I won. So anyway, we're gonna load up my dirty trunk because it's kind of a mess right now. But it's okay. My feet are soaked. The boot's off though, so that's always nice. And we're gonna probably go get some lunch. Adam,
6 o'clock.
or dinner, I guess. Carly's fake diabetes is acting up, so we have to feed her, I guess. Oh yeah, we have matching outfits because she copied me.
I picked mine up first, actually.
Anyway, who wears it better? Comment below. Actually, we'll give Kate Carly. We'll just do a little fashion show, and then I'll go
don't have a
fashion.
fashion
Okay, ready? Okay, 1
Like a
second.
spin?
3, 2, 1,
What am I
action.
doing?
It's your runway show. You have to work it. Yeah, that's your outfit. We're doing who wears it better. Okay, now it's my turn.
This is gonna be so dramatic. I didn't know we could show our muscles.
And that concludes today. So please like and subscribe.